What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to reset the oil life after an oil change on a 2018 Lexus RX350. So you need to be in the vehicle with the vehicle either running or the ignition in the on position. I have my ignition in the on position because I'm filming in a closed garage. And we're going to reset this using these buttons on the right hand side of the steering wheel here. So you can see the message on the dash basically is telling us to press the brake in order to start the engine. And if you have your ignition in the on position, you'll see that message. In order to clear that message, we'll hit this button right here. And if we let this sit idle longer than just a few seconds, that message will pop back up. So at any point, if it pops back up, you can see it just did there. You'll see me hit this button to get out of it. So once we hit this button to clear that message, then what I'm going to do is use these arrows here and scroll either left or right and keep scrolling left or right until we get to this menu, the one that looks like a little gear. Once we're on this menu, I'm going to then use the arrow to scroll down. My message popped back up there, so I'll back out of it. And then I'm going to use these arrows to scroll down till we get to vehicle settings. Then I'm going to press this button here, that dot button. That takes us to the vehicle settings page. Once we're on this page, I'm going to use my arrows to scroll down till we get to oil maintenance, and then press this button here. And then it's asking us, do we want to reset? I'll arrow up till yes is highlighted, and then press the circle button. And then as you can see there, the oil maintenance data has been reset. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.